Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, it looks like we're sitting in front of Walgreens, and that's because we are. But before we went to Walgreens, we're gonna go to Walmart and we're gonna do our weekly rebate haul. Now, I wanted to finish up at Walgreens because there's some amazing Dove rebates. And I hope you were able to either submit your receipts and get in on that, or get up to the store and get in on that. So that's why we're in front of Walgreens, and we're actually gonna finish up at my house. But I promise we're going to Walmart. But anyways, so like I said, we're going to do our weekly rebate haul. So today is Thursday. I got my Weekend Warrior bonus. I got 5 for $15 on both of my accounts. Of course, I'm only going to do one account. And then we got, I think it's a Kentucky Derby bonus. I have 7 for 32 or 10 for 48. I don't know if I will be able to do that. I won't be shopping at all next week. So I am going to finish up that Weekend Warrior bonus, splitting between the two, because the Dove rebates, for what's on sale at Walgreens, there's 4 offers right there. So I think I'm going to be able to hit that no problem. Plus there's also a little glitch that I want to check out to see if it's working. So yeah, we're going to test it out and see. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah, and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. And if you're not new, welcome back, and thank you for returning, because without you, I could not do this. Well, I could, but I couldn't be on YouTube. Well, I could, but I wouldn't be able to do this full time. So there we go. There will be a Google Doc linked down below in the description box to help you plan your trip or to help you out in the store. So anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. So we're gonna start off with the Olay Serum Boosters. They're $9.97. My store only has these 2 left, and this one is open, but that bottle is sealed. I'm gonna grab them both for $9.97. You're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for $10 back on 2. And I scanned them both, they both work fine. And you're gonna get a $10 bonus. So that's gonna make these free and like a 6-cent moneymaker. Next, we're gonna grab the Find Your Happy Place scrubs. Or you could do a scrub in or a candle, whichever. I'm gonna get these 2 nighttime scrubs for $6.97 a piece. That'll equal out to $13.94. We are going to submit our receipt to Ibotta for $3 back. Right here, when you buy $3 for each one, and then you'll get 1,500 points for each one that you buy as well, which is another $3 back. So it'll be $4.94 for the both of them. Oh, what in the world is that? And I'm gonna give these to my mom for Mother's Day. So I saw this on Sisters Saving You Cents page, so I'm definitely grabbing these. Next, we're gonna get the Bic Easy Rinse. We're gonna get the men's and the women's because we have a $4 rebate on Ibotta. So you wanna get, this is the women's one, but here's the men's down here, right here. So you're gonna pick up one of these for $6.92. There is a $2, here, I gotta move my cart. There's a $2 coupons.com reimbursement, or Shop.with or Alexa. I'm gonna be using Shop.with and Alexa today because I'm gonna get the men's and the women's. So they're $6.92. The $2 off will make them $4.92, and then there's a $4 rebate on Ibotta. So that's gonna make them 92 cents a piece, which isn't half bad. You can do one or the other, or both, because they're separate offers. If you missed out on the $5 offer, then, oh, that's not the one we want to get. See this one here? You don't want to get this one. You want to get the 2 count only. So, see? 2 count only, Sarah. Good job. Next, we're going to grab some Olay body wash. Maybe you don't like Walgreens, or you don't have a Walgreens, but you want some cheap Olay. Well, I am here to help you. So you're going to go and you're gonna grab this one here for $6.97. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back. Then you're going to submit your receipt to, oh no, why did it do that? Sorry about that, guys. for 900 kicks back. So that equals out to $3.60. So that's gonna make these just $1.37, which is actually a very good price, I think. So we're gonna grab this. We're gonna do the Chobani again because Aaron loved the creamer. So we're gonna grab this for $4.28. It's not really in a convenient spot, but it only has milk, cream, cane sugar, and natural flavors. So it's a good switch. So this is $4.28, and we don't have any coupons for it, but we do have $1.50 iBot rebate. Then we're gonna submit to Shop.with for 520 kicks back, which is $2.08, which this actually went up from last week. So that's gonna make this creamer just 70 cents. Down from $4 to 70 cents is a really, really good deal. And it's good, so I'm grabbing it. Next, we're gonna grab the Starry. This is only $3.88, and I've seen it pretty cheap, or a lot cheaper than that in other stores. So this is actually a decent deal. So it's $3.88, and there's $2.50 back on Ibotta. So I'm gonna grab it. It's gonna be $1.38 for a 6-pack. I'll take it. I also have to pay 60 cents deposit, but I don't count that in this. I'm gonna do the caramels. The caramels, Jody did them last week. I should have done them last week. It's an easy offer. They're $1.24. You need to grab 2 of them for $2.48. And then we're going to get back $1 on Ibotta. It says we have a 0 bonus. That must be because it's a sweepstake. I'm not sure. Yeah, because it's a sweepstake entry. But anyways, it's gonna make them $1.48 for both, which isn't bad. Ouch, I hit my hand. So yeah, I think that's a decent deal. So this is everything we're getting at Walmart. We're gonna go to Walgreens here in a second because there's a deal there that I wanna show you if you haven't seen it. And I'm gonna pick up some Dove to help pay for some of this, if they have any left. So over at Walgreens, go into the section of your store where they have the dollar items. You will find these little pots of creams. They have, you know, Dove, you see the Vaseline and the Pond's. Grab 5 of them. You will pay $5. You can use $5 in Walgreens cash. And then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. There's a $2 rebate attaching to them. So you're going to get back $10. It's going to make these all 5 of them free and a $5 moneymaker. Next, we're going to do the Dove body wash. We can do this in multiples of 2 as many times as we want. The body wash is $7. They're buy 2, get back $4 in Walgreens cash. We can grab the bar soap. They're $9 and the same deal. So I have 2 7-off 2 coupons left over on 2 accounts. So I will be doing the deal 6 times and I'll be able to use those 2 coupons, and I will be doing different transactions as well. So I ended up grabbing a little bit more than I should have, and I'm not sure why. I was thinking that the Fetch Rewards offers that I had were for the men's and the women's, and they're not. They're just for the women's. And I'm going to explain the breakdown in a more condensed manner, but you're going to want to split this up. 2 Dove products on one and 4 on another if you want to do it this way, or you can just get 4 items. But the total for all the products here are going to be $46. You're going to be using 2 different $7 coupons, one from one account and one from another. Again, we are doing separate transactions, but this is condensed. So your total after the coupons would be $32. Then you're going to get back a total of $12 in Walgreens cash. So then your total will be $20. You're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. You're going to get back another $12. You're going to get back $2 for each one of the women's body wash, $3 for each one of the men's body wash, and $1 back for each package of bar soap. You'll also get back 1,500 points on Fetch Rewards for each one of the women's products. That's going to make your total just $3.50 for all 6 products, which is insane. Now, if you only wanted to do 2 on one account and 2 on another, I'll give you the math for that as well. So say you get 2 women's body wash and 2 men's body wash. Your total for the 4 body washes would equal out to $28, but then you have those 2 7-off 2 coupons and 2 separate transactions coming off of the totals. Then you'll get back $8 in Walgreens cash for doing the deal twice. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for $10. $2 for each one of the Dove men's, or $2 for each one of the women's body wash, excuse me, and $3 for each one of the men's body wash. Then you'll get back $3 on Fetch Rewards for doing 2 of the women's Dove body washes. That's going to make the 4 body washes a $7 moneymaker. But I had to throw in 2 packages of bar soap because I love the bar soap, so I'm totally fine with the $3.50 cost. So that's everything that I am grabbing today. Let's go out to the car and see how everything went. All right, guys, we are back in from Walmart and Walgreens, and everything went okay. So I made a mistake at Walmart, and there was, of course, some problems with Walgreens. So I'll go over Walgreens really quick because I don't think it'll take that long to go over it. So I divided my stuff into 2 transactions. The first transaction, I did 2 of the bar soap, and then I did these guys right here, which was a fun little money maker. So my total after my coupons was $16. So the 7 off 2 digital did come off. And then I got back $4 in Walgreens cash. I got back $12 on Ibotta. So the $2 rebate did work on these totally fine. And then I should get back $3 on Fetch Rewards. My Fetch, everything that I've submitted for the past month, 2 months, I've had to correct. So I had to correct my receipt, and thankfully I did. It was still there this morning. I got a message from someone just a few minutes ago saying that their Fetch offers were gone. Thankfully, my Fetch offers were still there, but I was doing this bright and early in the morning. So then that makes that transaction a $3 moneymaker. Then on the next transaction, I did the body wash and I did the toothpaste. So I had 2 $3 digitals that were supposed to come off and a $7 digital. 1 $3 digital and the $7 digital came off. I had to contact customer service for the other $3, so they gave me $3 in Walgreens cash. So that made my total $29.98. I got back $8 in Walgreens cash, and I was supposed to get back a $5 register reward. I did not. My store gave me Walgreens cash for that as well. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $14.75. I got back $2 for each one of the toothpaste. I got back $2 for each one of the women's body wash, and I got back $3 for each one of the men's body washes. Then I should get back $6 on Fetch Rewards, so 1,500 points for each one, making those free and a $3.77 moneymaker. So I think that is fabulous, as long as Fetch doesn't give me any problems. But Fetch has been giving me problems, and I've had to resubmit and resubmit and resubmit my Fetch rewards. And it's on both of my Fetch rewards. So I don't know why they're giving me guff. So anyways, so of course everything at Walgreens was free and a $6.77 moneymaker. I didn't have any boosters or anything like that. I didn't bring it out here, and I thought I did, but I did get a paper booster to use next week with the spend 40 get 20. I got a spend 50 get 10. So I'm really excited, and there will be a video on Sunday. So now on to Walmart. Walmart, my total was $65.33. I got back $31.25 in rebates there, just regular rebates. I got the $10 bonus, and then I got, and then I will get back $4, $2 for Shop.with and $2 for Alexa for the Bic razors. Then I submitted my receipt to Shopkick, and should get back 1,400 kicks plus the 20 scan kicks. That equals out to $5.68. Then 3,300 or $3.30 for Fetch Rewards for the body scrubs. Now let's combine it all together. So my total for everything at Walgreens and Walmart was $111.31. I got back $58 in regular rebates from Ibotta. I got back $10 for the Olay bonus. 75 cents for the Crest bonus. I got back $5 for the Weekend Warrior bonus. I got back $4 for the Bic razors from Shopmam and Alexa. $5.68 from Shopkick. $12.30 from Fetch Rewards. $12 in Walgreens cash for the Dove. And $5 register reward, which is just more Walgreens cash for me, for the Crest. That makes everything that I got today between Walgreens and Walmart $2.58. And I'm really happy about that. And I'm really happy about the Fetch if the points come through, because I am using those gift cards towards Uber rides in Chicago. So I'm really, really happy about that. I've already got a couple of gift cards from there for Uber. So I'm waiting and I'm excited. I'm really, really excited. So I'm glad I went to Walgreens, but is anyone else having problems with Fetch? Almost everything I have to correct. And then I have to correct it 3 or 4 times. And I think I'm going to lay off of Fetch for a little while, see if it kind of corrects itself, because it shouldn't be doing that. It shouldn't be doing that. Otherwise, they need to pay me. No, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. But anyways, that is all I have for you today. I will see you guys Sunday with a short video, and then I will be off for the rest of the week. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.